Hello guys. Today I will be gonna showing you each and every steps required to integrate Facebook Audience Network with AdMob using Mediasun. For the sake of simplicity, I am going to divide this whole tutorial into three parts. In the very first part, we will create all the accounts required for the integration. We will create Facebook Audience Network account, Facebook Business Manager account and Facebook Developer account, and at the last we will create AdMob account as well. In the second part, we will integrate our Facebook Audience Network to the AdMob using Mediasun, and in the third part we test our integration, whether we have successfully integrated or not. For you guys, I have one suggestion. If you already have an account of AdMob and Audience Network, then you can skip this video and you can directly move forward to the second part, that is the integration part, and for that you will find link in the description part below. So let's begin with the first part, that is the account creation part. First of all, we need normal Facebook account. For that, go to any browser and search for a Facebook. Open very first link, that is the facebook.com. If you already have a Facebook account, then you can directly log in from here, but if you don't have, you can create new one. I have an account, so I am going to log in from here. Next, for creating a business manager account, we need to create one business page. For creating a business page, click on the plus icon. You will find plus icon on the top right corner. Select page option. Now here you need to give some page information. Give some name to your page. Select category of your page. Here I am going to select video creator and give some short description relevant to your page. Next, click on the create page. Now we have successfully created business page. Hit on the save button. Now we have done with the business page creation part. Now open new tab and search for the Facebook Business Manager. Open very first link. On the top right corner, hit on the create account. Here you need to log in using Facebook account which we have used earlier. After successfully login, in the top right corner you will find one create account. Hit on the create account. Now here you need to give business account name. Please make sure that you will give relevant name to your business, otherwise Facebook will give an error. And in the last, enter your business contact email as well. Hit on the next button. Now here you need to pass some business detail relevant to you. And in the last portion, that is the website. If you don't have any website, then you can create one blogspot and pass the blogspot link here as well. And in the last part, business use, leave it default. If everything goes fine, then you will get confirmation email to your email ID. So next, you need to verify your business email to continue forward. So log into your Gmail and open the confirmation email. click on the Confirm Now button. That's it, we have done with the confirmation part. Now back again to the Business Manager account. Just refresh your browser to get rid of this confirmation error. That's it, we have done with the Business Manager account. Now open new tab and search for a Facebook Audience Network. Open very first link. On the top right corner, click on the Monetize Now. Click Get Started. Here you need to select Business Manager account just we have created earlier. So select one, click Next. Here you need to give an Android application name in which you want to add monetization. So I am going to give name as a sample application. Click Next. Next, select any platform relevant to your application. I am going to select Android. Here you need to select whether your application is live on Play Store or not. My application is not live on Play Store, so I am going to select app is not live and click Submit. Here you need to select type of ad you want to create, like interstitial, banner, rewarding ads. Here I am going to simply create banner ads, so I am selecting banner. Next, give any small description relevant to your ads. Hit Create Placement. Next, mark the checkbox that is this app is using mediation. Now click on the Generate Token button. Next, you will find System User Access Token, Property ID and Placement ID. We will use these IDs in the later part of our videos. Mark the Manually Integration checkbox and click on the Confirm manually. Now we need to add one payment account, so click on the Add Payment Account. Next, you need to select your country. So select your country relevant to you. I am selecting India as my country. And next we need to select business type. So I am selecting business type as an individual. Next, you need to give your name and give your address. Write your city, state, zip code and phone number and last contact email. Next, you need to provide any government identity card number. So in our country India, we have an Aadhaar card for identity of a person, so I am going to give here Aadhaar card number as identity. But in your country, if you have any other government identity card number, then you can provide that also, like driving license and etc. Finally, click on the next button. In the next page, you need to give your bank detail. Select your country of bank, that is India in my case, and next you need to pass SWIFT number. Now if you don't know the SWIFT number, go to this website ifscswiftcodes.com. You will find link in the description part and open that link Here you need to select country name, bank name, state, city and branch. After selecting all the fields, you will get SWIFT code of your bank branch. Just copy the SWIFT code and paste it here. Next, you need to provide account number and account holder name. Please make sure that do not make any mistake here. Please provide correct information. Otherwise, at the time of payment, you will get an error. That's it. We have added payment account. Now select payment account just we have added earlier. Click on the select. Alright, now we have done with the Facebook Audience Network. Next, to see our application which we have added, go to the integration, select properties, select your application, sample application. Here you can find your banner, select that banner, and in the next tab you will find banner that we have added, and here you will find placement ID as well. That's it. Now we have done with all the accounts related to Facebook. Now we are going to create AdMob account. Go to any browser and search for AdMob. Open very first link. Next you need to sign in. Click on the sign in on the top right corner. Sign in with any Google ID. Next, you need to select country of territory. I am selecting my country as India. You can select your own. Next, you need to select time zone. Select your time zone. And next, you need to select billing currency. I recommend everyone to select US dollar. Accept the terms and condition and hit on the create AdMob account. In the next step, AdMob will send confirmation email to your email address. It contains some tips and tricks to get started with AdMob. And here you have some choice regarding whether you want to get some tips and tricks related to AdMob and you want to get some special offer related to AdMob. I don't want to get any special tips and tricks related to AdMob, so I am selecting no to every option. But you want to get, then you can select yes to any of the option. Finally, click on the verify your account. Write your mobile number with country code followed by plus sign. And select text message to get an OTP and hit on the continue button. Now check your mobile for the verification pin and enter that pin here. Next, click on the verify. Finally, we have done with our AdMob account. Click on the continue to AdMob. That's it. We have done with the first part, that is the account creation part, and in the second part we will learn about how to integrate Facebook Audience Network to the AdMob using Mediasun. You will find link for the second part in the description part. See you in the next video. Keep watching, keep supporting. Thank you.